Nuxt 4 has been released some time ago, and now it is a good point to update our project to the latest version of Nuxt. So I'm gonna open up documentation. Right here we need to run the following command to update Nuxt to the version 4. But we are not only going to update Nuxt version, but also some other libraries along with it. So instead of just running this command, I'm gonna open up package.json and manually will update versions of some libraries. First thing, let's update version of Nuxt itself. I'm going to use for .2.1. This will be the minimum version. So the next time when we run npm install, whether this version of Nuxt or newer one will be installed. Then let's also update pinia/nuxt library to 0.11.3. Also version of pinia library, let's use 3.0.4. And down here let's also update icon library nuxt/icon. Let's use 2.1.0. Alright, now let's jump back into the terminal and I'm going to run a ram command to remove package log.json file along with node modules folder. We're going to reinstall all dependencies from scratch. Once this command is done, I'm going to run npm install to install newer versions of libraries. And to make this whole migration to Nuxt 4 much easier for us, there is a tool which will help us to simplify this migration called code mode. And to run this tool, we're gonna execute the following command as stated in the docs. It is going to run some recipes to automatically update certain parts in our code base. So I'm going to put this command in the terminal and press enter. It will require to install another package called code mode. We'll agree with that, and now we are presented with a choice as for which recipes we want to run. And in this particular case, since our Nuxt application is quite small, we are only going to run one recipe called file structure, which will basically make all necessary changes to adhere to the new folder structure in the Nuxt 4 application. So I'll select only file structure recipe, press enter, and right after this, several folders such as components, pages, layouts, plugins, and some others will be moved into the app folder, which will be located in the project root. And now this is a recommended way of organizing Nuxt 4 folder structure, where there will be an app folder located in the project root, and most of the source code will be located inside of this folder. So to test it out and see if our migration has been completed successfully, let's start development server by running npm run dev in the terminal and open up page in the browser. For now we're getting the following error saying that use playlist store function is not defined. And to fix this issue, we also have to move folder where we have all our pinia stores called stores within the app folder. So I'm going to copy this stores folder and paste it into the app folder and remove the old stores folder which is located inside the project root. Alright, one more time, let's run npm run dev to rebuild development version of the project and check it in a browser. And now we're seeing the main page of the application. Let's just click around a bit to make sure that other pages work as expected. So we have successfully migrated Nuxt project to Nuxt version 4. In the next lesson we're going to continue development of this project.